Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can draw in DaVinci Resolve. So the first step you simply need to do is to open DaVinci Resolve and click on effects first. So you need to go on to the from media to effects panel. Click on effects and add the adjustment layer here and make the duration according to the clip. Okay. Then you need to go on to the fusion tab. So once you are here, you simply need to click on this option of paint. Once you click on that, you simply need to select the mode, this paint mode, and here you can see the option of brush size, so you can adjust the brush size according to your choice. So a little bit bigger, smaller, so it is up to you. You can do this. So once it is done, you can change the softness as well, so it is up to you. So now I'm going to draw to show you. So this is the sample, only a tutorial. You can do this more accurately by spending much time, and you can change color from here as well. So I'm going to select the orange. So this is, I think the color is selected, white is okay. So you can change the color as well by just going here. So like this one, okay. And after that, here you can see, now you need to change the frame from here, one frame more. Add this one frame more, 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 one frame more, one frame more, one frame more, and one frame more. And now let me show you how it will look. And then you need to go on to this, and after that you need to play a video to see how it will look. So let me go on to the editing tab here, and once I am on the editing tab, I can see the fusion effect. So here you can see, so you can spend time little bit here to make it more good. I'm just show you how you can create. So here you can see. So this is the easy process how you can draw in DaVinci Resolve. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.